Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, hold the power key. This will bring up boot options, and from here, hold power off option. This should bring up this window, reboot to safe mode, confirm it by tapping on OK, and simply wait for the device to boot back up. Now, while it's booting back up, I will describe what the mode is actually used for, because not everybody might know. So during safe mode, basically every app that you have installed will be disabled, cannot start, won't be able to start at all. And only the default apps will be working. So things like, for instance, your messages, dialer, and so on. And that is so you can troubleshoot your device, give you a hypothetical situation that your device battery is draining too quickly. You can boot it into safe mode, and in safe mode, if you have some kind of app that was draining your battery, that app will be disabled and won't be able to drain your battery anymore. And that will also give you a clear distinction that some app was causing you that problem. But as an example, if the battery keeps draining in the safe mode, that means that, well, it's the fault of the battery. Anyway, as you can see, once the device boots back up, widgets are also disabled, and normally it should say safe mode right here, but it's using some kind of different language, which I'm not exactly sure why. But yeah, it's gonna be there overlaid over all the apps, as you can see. So that is how you boot into the safe mode. And once you're done with it, hold the power key and simply tap on restart, and this will bring you back to the normal mode. And as you can see, we are now in normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.